good? It's your girl deja.zhane. And today I'll be doing an African inspired makeup look. This kind of came about after I did it, and I'm like, oh, I look like an African goddess, you know what I'm saying? The blue, the red contrast, I'm really feeling it. Oh, and do y'all like my hair? Yeah, okay. This is the look. I hope y'all like it. Stay tuned and see how I did it. Okay, as you can see, I have one eye done. Just to speed up this process, because I just don't want this video to be too long. So yeah, let's hop right into it. Today I'll be using the Return of the Jet eyeshadow and Twinkle in her eyeshadow. Both palettes are by Rude Cosmetics. You can order them online. I think they're like $15 a piece. That's how much I paid for them. So let's go. Boom. Starting off with a fluffy brush, fluffy blending eyeshadow brush. We're going to go in with that reddish brown color in the first row, and we're going to put that in the crease. We're going to make it kind of round because this is like a halo eye. Halo, 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 halo. Woo. Okay, now we're gonna take this darker brown, so just like gradually getting darker with the browns. So just layering it up. And now we're gonna go deeper, deeper, deeper. And we're gonna take a deeper brown. Take a black eyeshadow, and we want to make it deeper, deeper. Taking a little bit, kind of dust it off. We don't want too much on there, and we want to focus it here. Put the black there, and we're also going to put the black here. And just kind of flick it. So now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal foundation, and I'm going to put that on a foundation brush, a flat one like this, and I'm going to start my cut crease. Well, my halo, it's kind of the same thing. Okay, so the next step, we're going to take that really dark, vibrant blue from the Twinkle in her eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to press that all on the center of my eyelid. You got it? Okay, good. I'm going to pat it on here. Okay, so now that we have the poppin' blue on there, so I've cleaned my brush. I'm going to wet this, and I'm going to put this like really shimmery blue on top. So now we're officially done with that step. We have one more step, guys, just one more. Now from the Return of her eyeshadow, no, Return of the Jet eyeshadow, I'm going to take that teal shimmery the teal shimmery eyeshadow color. I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna put it on top. So now that that's all applied, I think I'm gonna go back and just kind of blend the edges. So look, we're gonna take this powder, we're gonna slap it away. Out of my life. Fixing my contour. Alright, so now we're gonna take the brown, drag it underneath there. Drag it underneath there. So now we're gonna take that gold highlight, well, eyeshadow. Woo! Brow highlight. take a gold eyeshadow and put it right underneath your brow bone and drag it down. I think I'm gonna apply my other lash and eyeliner off camera. And I'm gonna come back and do, yeah, I'm gonna be right back. And I'm back. As you can see, I've applied my liquid liner on my eye and also my lashes, bottom lashes. But what I will do on camera is line my bottom waterline with this black NYX mascara. I want to put on some blush. Whoa! That's a bit. Go ahead. Whoa, that was a lot. Damn it. All right. Ooh, that's cute. Come through NYX. What is this? The NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Berlin. This Wet n Wild Mega Halo Glow. And I just want to see what it's going to do. I'm going to put it here. Ooh, girl. Yeah, so you know what? This is actually the finished look. I was just like adding like little touches or whatever. This is she. This is her. And she is serving East African goddess.
No girl can't tell me about my mother. 16 shot, we got longer than a ladder. Them nothing talk, but the real done that up. Body in a pot, them a bun like grabber. No boy can't diss me or my mother. Round here ain't safe, everybody need armor. 16 shot, we got shot at any blood. I got back long time, them don't eat. Rap and pop off, make
So yes, that concludes the look. I hope y'all enjoyed the slow-mos. Yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Come back again, subscribe, like, comment on what you all want to see next, and I will see you in the next video. Deuces.